Alright, so you got this Dell. Um, this is the Pro family. So first time having a Pro family here. Let's do an unboxing. And believe it or not, I have to clone a SATA hard drive Windows 10 on it. Pro 14, so copying Apple's naming structure. 3-prong plug. Type C with 65 watt, keeping it simple. Interesting. That feels like a wash drawer. It's Pro. Very, very boring looking, but it's, Pro. 2 Type Cs, HDMI, audio jack, 2 USBs. One has a symbol for battery, probably will offer power at the end, even when it's off. Okay. Oh, it's a crappy hinge design. See how it pulls the laptop back? This will mean the hinges are gonna break quite quickly. Okay. Matte finish. Twenty volts. 1.1. Keyboard backlight. Got a privacy cover. Has a co-pilot button. It's doing its beautiful dance. Okay. Manufacturing date April 29. Ryzen 5 Pro 230 Radeon 760M 16GB graphics DDR5. Has a second slot, I believe. 512 gigs SSD. Okay. Security TPM is on. Okay. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. But let me see if I can clone my hard drive onto this. Yeah, it's not the best installation. You can see slight dark line on this side and more screen on the other side. See that blackness on the edge, and this one is perfect. So basically, the factory they just couldn't get that right. Okay. And shortly we'll have a look on the inside. Hopefully it will not void any warranty. Okay. Okay. And then I have to upgrade it to Windows 11. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so that's finished. I'm not even sure if it's going to boot. Alright, I'll install all the drivers and whatnot, and we're in business, and I'll upgrade to Windows 11. Oh yeah, we're gonna look on the inside, I forgot that. Yes, it's got two RAM slots, 2230 SSD. It will take, will it take a full size? Difficult to say, because there isn't a bracket to hold it there. So you'll have to somehow stick it there. Wi-Fi chip. Oh, it's got a grounding to the case. That could be both, maybe negative and positive, maybe, to know if the case has been opened. These ports, somehow they look like they're modular. Maybe they can be replaced. That would be great. And daughter board separate. So repairability is pretty damn good on this. 55 work hour battery. Okay, quite simple. Nice to operate on. And DC jack is also separate. Nice. Good job, Dell. Thumbs up. You don't need any special tools to access it. Pretty much standard. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next one.